boating adventure community post, channel update number 39. Well, a very good morning to you. It is Friday the 21st of July 2023. I've got two shipmates with me today, two brand new shipmates who are going to be doing all the cleaning and all the deck work and that kind of thing, aren't you? Mm-hmm. Yes. So this is Rebecca, and just going to do the life jackets first, most important, isn't it? Because
it saves you.
It saves you. Can you swim?
Yeah.
But not in ever such cold water, can you? Because you get cold water shock. Even though Rebecca is a fantastic swimmer, you still have to wear a life jacket. Okay, excuse me. That goes up there. Because you're a child, you have to wear this strap as well, so that it doesn't fall off over your head. All fit? All done?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Okay. Go back to the cleaning. Right. And next shipmate. Wave.
Whoa.
Oh gosh.
I have to look great for the YouTube, you know.
Yes. Go on then, wave. And this is Ellie. So Ellie can swim. Can't you swim?
Yes.
Yes, swim.
Yeah, I can.
Like a brick? All very well.
A brick? I'm not.
Okay. So this is the other shipmate who's going to do a lot more cleaning, excuse me. And because you're still a child,
Nearly a teenager.
nearly a horrible teenager, you have to wear one of those. Okay, so that's all the shipmates taken care of. The only person that's not wearing one is moi. I've got a buoyancy aid today, so I'll put that on in a minute. Today we are going to just have a little potter down the River Trent. We'll probably go up as far as Beeston Lock. We're going to take our time because there's plenty of places where we can take some footage. And I'm going to get the shipmates to do some footage as well, so they've got a camera each. They don't know that yet, but I've got them a camera so they can do that each, and we'll see what we can find. So this is going to be a joint video. This is just a little update to remind you of my next video, which will go out on Saturday the 5th of August 2023 at 8 AM, and it's of a recent visit that Helen and I undertook to Rutland Water. Rutland Water is the largest reservoir by surface area in England, and we had a really good walk around some of it to have a look at the boating and the boating facilities there. So join me for that video on Saturday the 5th of August 2023 at 8 AM. Here we are back at the marina. We've had quite a nice day now. It's the sun did come out eventually and it did brighten up, so we've had all sorts, rain, showers and brilliant sunshine. The deckhands have survived. Did you have a good day?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
They both had a little drive of the boat, so, and we didn't go off course, so that's good, isn't it? So thank you very much for watching, and bye. Hopeless. Do take care. Bye.